Hello friends, right now we are in the Mhadei sanctuary and this is the forested area range which is in Sattari Taluka and location here is Nanoda Bambar. So we are here at the Interpretation Center where there are a lot of informative flags are there regarding with birds, butterflies, lizards, snakes, soils. One can come here and explore themselves and to understand and to know various lesson on flora and the fauna towards major mammals. So this is one of the good center, interpretation center wherein it is lot of information with the board and one can visit this and whichever is noticed can identify by using this informative charts. They can also do the citing if possible or not. This chart itself is a self-explanatory wherein they can learn by themselves.
आज आमी येयल्ले आसा म्हादय वायल्ड लायफ सँच्युरी ही सत्तरी तालुक्याच्या बांबर नानोडा ह्या भागान जाल्ली आसा. आयचे भुरगे जे आसा आमचे ते नॉर्मली एनिमल्स जी आसा ती रियल पळोवपाक शकनात. ती फोटो पळोवंक शकता किंवा नेटाचेर वचून पळोवंक शकता. मात म्हादय वायल्ड लायफ सँच्युरी जी आसा ती एक बरो कार्यक्रम, बरे तेंचो एक उपक्रम चालू आसा. तो म्हणजे ते तेंच्यांनी एक हांगासर स्टॅच्यू करून दवरलेलो आसा. प्रत्येक जनावर जे आसा तेजे स्टॅच्यू हांगासर पळोवपाक मेळटा. हेतून जातलें कितें तर जे भुरगे आसा त्या भुरग्यांक तांकां फील करपाक मेळटलें तेजो कलर कसो आसा, तेजी सायज केदी आसता. रियलान जरी पळोवंक ना जाल्यार तांकां एक तें फील करपाक मेळटलें. म्हणून म्हाका दिसता दर एका भुरग्यान हांगा येवन पेरंट्सांनी त्या भुरग्यांक आपल्या हांगा हाडून तांकां एक ते फील जो आसा तो ह्या म्हादय वायल्ड लायफ सँच्युरीन दिवं येता.
Friends, right now we are in the Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary. This sanctuary is located in the state of Goa in the taluka of Sattari. As you all aware about the Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary, Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary and Kotika Wildlife Sanctuary. And we have only one bird sanctuary, that is Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, which is in a Sharrao in the Tiswade taluka. Every sanctuary is unique by itself. And where we are present here is a Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary. And location is Nadoda Bambar, wherein we can see here the interpretation center, and there are so many artificial animal forms. So my teacher and my friend Mr. Shivaji Ozrakar has already told you that this artificial animals is not only attract small children and the students, and this definitely will grow a seed within themselves that they can understand the real, either not, but at least artificial animals, wherein they can identify the animals by their size, by their color, and the habitat which they are actually found. We all old people know this animal because they are staying next to us. But the young children, because of due to the lack of animals, maybe because of deforestation, maybe different issues wherein their numbers are decreased. But the government of Goa and the forest department are doing a wonderful job. So they are created an artificial kind of zoo wherein the young generation can learn the animals by observing them, and they can identify them by at least by local name. And this informative chart will definitely tell you about their names, their scientific name, in case of plants, botanical names, and the habitats. So you can do your visit in the Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary to see the artificial animals.